gay couples have asked India's Supreme Court to recognize same-sex marriages, setting the stage for a legal face-off with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government, which has previously refused to legalize such marriages. In a historic verdict in 2018, India's top court decriminalized homosexuality. Despite the 2018 ruling, the community faces a lack of acceptance and discrimination. While the LGBTQ+ community of India gets stronger, the government will have to pass laws accepting the community sooner or later. Proactive steps taken in favor of the community will help the government win the hearts of LGBTQ+ people and its allies. Many of this population are young Indian voters as well. What are we all talking about?
We're talking about the fall of imperialism in India, because that is the reason for homophobia in India.
Wow.
I want to make that specifically clear, that it is because of the imperialistic ideals that came from England during the Victorian era that basically caused this. So I'm happy that they're now rolling back, this and introducing legislation, and their community is getting stronger. Impulse a few months ago just started a new group in Mumbai, India. Yeah, and they're growing really fast.
Oh my God. And there's a lot of us in India. Again, well, India is one of the most populated places on planet Earth, but there's a lot of LGBTQ+. And I give those folks props, because these are folks that maybe might be trans and have to go back in the closet to walk home from work or something, because their lives are at stake. It's not like, oh, you're going to get, maybe someone's going to call you, call you something here, wherever you go. There, they can do bodily harm to you, physical harm.
Violence.
And when the cops are called, they will not be on your side.
No. Yeah.
So
really rough.
It's time for these laws and many more. And it's interesting. Like, I was not a political person. I still am not, Jamal. Like, I go and I do my civic duty and I vote and I try to be educated on things, but it's not my forte. And when Trump became president and started spewing all this hate, I said, I got to educate myself to know what the hell I'm fighting for, to know our rights. These folks deal with so much over there. It's time that they're able to live life authentically as they are, with the protections, have the protections for them, and also pass your laws. But those protections are super, super important to be in place, and to have the people to enforce them, and the organizations that to stand behind them. So, did you enjoy the show? I know you did. So make sure to click subscribe so you won't miss any of the events, news, or interviews right here on the Faye What Show. Ring the bell at the bottom of the screen, right there, so you'll be alerted every time we're live. You can also click on the Happening Out Television Network logo so you can see all of the shows on the most diverse LGBTQ+ media network. Find out just what we're doing to bring the L and the G together right here on the Faye What Show. Get the week started with me.